Lily James worries she wasn't focused enough while filming Mamma Mia, Here We Go Again. The 29-year-old actress had a really special time shooting the musical sequel with the likes of Meryl Streep, Colin Firth, and Cher. But she's concerned she had too much fun at the expense of her work. She told Marie Claire magazine, without being too overly sentimental, it was a really special time. It was just mad with all of these total legends walking around. Despite her own success, Lily admitted it was intimidating being around such huge stars. If you like and subscribe to our videos, there's a chance your favorite celebrity will follow you on Twitter. We can't prove that, but we're saying there's a chance.